Like new home for sale. Wait until you see this house in person. Open living areas downstairs with spacious kitchen and family room. Great layout for entertaining to keep everyone connected. Kitchen with large pantry to help keep you organized. Plenty of wood cabinets and counter space for cooking too. Downstairs also has an under-the-stairs storage and a half bath for your convenience. Upstairs are all 3 bedrooms and your laundry room, right where you need it. Roomy master suite with walk-in closet and private bath. Secondary rooms are nicely sized too. 2-car garage with AMIQ smart home garage door opener. Hang out and relax outdoors with the privacy of a fully fenced yard. Welcome to the South Shore area. Quick access to I-75 to commutes to Tampa or Sarasota to take in all the fun activities of living in the Tampa Bay area. If you like the outdoors, this is the area for you. You will be close to EG Simmons Park and the Little Harbor Resort and Marina to take in the views of coastal living, live entertainment and the local restaurants. The growing South Shore area is near shopping, dining, YMCA, hospitals and more.